The online coaching space has exploded in the last few years. In fact, it's currently valued at $2 billion, but is expected to reach $4 billion by 2030. This space is not slowing down at all and is evolving year on year. That's why, as an online coach myself, I'm always looking to grow and evolve with it. Because if you don't evolve, then you're just going to get left behind. And that really covers all areas of your online business. But one area I'm particularly interested in is systems and software. As your business evolves, so should your service, systems, and software. Personally, I'm always looking to reinvest back into the business. I'm always looking at the systems and software we use to see if we can improve on them to improve the overall client experience and service. And one area I'm always looking at particularly is how we deliver our service. So how do we coach our clients online to get amazing results? And when it comes to online, you can't be there in person. So you really have to look at the next best thing, which is video. And this area of online coaching is growing very fast because we only have to look at our habits and how we're consuming content in so many different ways now. What started out as consuming content on, say, a traditional TV, now we've got smartphones, smart TVs, we've got streaming services and laptops and iPads, just to name a few. That's why in this video, I want to talk to you about how you can build your online fitness business around your video content and really improve your overall client experience and monetize it along the way. I'm always on the lookout for new software, and when I'm introduced to a new piece of software that helps coaches with their online delivery, I'm all ears. For me, the key to building a successful online fitness business is just being able to get amazing results for your clients. And from seeing under the hood of hundreds of online coaching companies, they all have one thing in common. Yes, they coach their clients, and yes, they deliver coaching programs and training programs, but they also have a membership site to help deliver educational content to really supplement their online coaching. Now, when you first start out, you're going to want to keep this pretty simple, but as you evolve and as your business evolves, you're going to want to start layering in systems. And that's where Uscreen can help you. Uscreen is an online video platform that helps you create membership sites for your online clients and also helps you build subscriber lists and monetize that audience along the way. And this is something that I'm going to dive into later in this video. Uscreen has helped hundreds of online coaches create professional membership sites to help them coach their clients effortlessly. In fact, you'd pay thousands and thousands of dollars to get something similar set up, whereas with Uscreen, you can just sign up for a monthly subscription and get rolling straight away. So let's dive into some of its features. Uscreen allows you to create a fully brandable membership site for your clients to log into, whether that's on a desktop or on your branded white labeled app on iOS or Android. You can brand and customize your membership site for your clients to log in on any device that they choose. So let's say you have a high ticket coaching program, say it's 12 weeks, and you're promising a client a desired result. You can use your membership site to have preloaded content in there to drip feed out to your clients to really help them get that desired result. In addition to creating a high ticket program, something that is circling around in the online fitness space a lot recently, and that is low ticket offers. So again, Uscreen allows you to create low ticket offers. It also allows you to create self-paced programs and even maybe an online training library with all of your workout videos. There is a big draw to creating low ticket offers that don't require so much time, and this is where Uscreen can really help you. Uscreen's features allow you to monetize courses and videos, so people could purchase off-the-shelf programs or even off-the-shelf workouts to do at home. After all, that's why we all got into the online coaching space, to get out of that time for money trap. This is huge because as your business grows and you add more content to Uscreen and your subscribers grow, your monthly subscription revenue will grow as well. So you can imagine it's not going to grow overnight, but as you add more people to it, you can start to really build up some really nice monthly subscriptions for your online fitness business. Same goes for online challenges or workout classes or any other products. And I think this is an area that a lot of online coaches struggle with. They have an amazing service, they can get amazing results, but sometimes they struggle to make money from their lower ticket products. We tend to give so much value for free, creating YouTube videos, creating Facebook videos, creating Facebook lives, doing podcasts, but then you feel like you're not getting rewarded for your efforts. Not anymore with monetization from Uscreen, and that's why we're seeing so many content creators and coaches migrate over to the platform. So once you've created your membership site, you've branded it and you've customized it and you've created your app, you can then start adding your content, and then prospects or customers can come directly to your website and buy it directly from Uscreen. And that is done through an integration through Stripe or PayPal. So it's very, very simple. No need for a web developer or confusing code. It's all set up inside of Uscreen for you. It also allows you to create some pretty cool payment options for your clients to purchase your content. You can create monthly subscriptions that would include specific content. So basically like a Netflix for your online fitness business. You can create one-time purchase options for, say, workout programs or challenges. Finally, another payment option that you can use, and I actually haven't seen this on any platforms before, and that is that you can rent your content out for a set number of days. And I really like this feature because imagine you are doing, say, a 5-day challenge, but you want to add some commitment to it. So you could set, say, a rental of 7 days or 10 days and make sure that that person commits to completing that challenge, or they'll lose the content. I really like this payment option because adoption is key. We really want our customers to go and use our content and watch our videos so they come back and purchase more. I'm a big believer of creating customers and not one-time purchases. We don't want our business to have a revolving door. We want our customers to have a great experience and come back and buy more. You may have tried some of Uscreen's competitors like Kajabi or ClickFunnels or Teachable, but in my opinion, it's lacking some major features. And one of these features that I know a lot of the competitors can't do, and that is being able to access the content across multiple devices. Uscreen's competitors are all designed for desktop, but we consume content in such a different way now. And really, it's a battle between TV and phones. That's where we spend most of our time, and that's where we consume most of the content. That's why Uscreen has developed its own app, which you can white label and brand yourself, and it's available on iOS and Android. It's also developed its own TV app that you can add to Amazon Fire Stick, Roku, and even Apple TV. So it's really covering you on all devices. Honestly, I think this feature is what sets Uscreen apart from its competitors, allowing you to be on multiple devices, but also how professional it looks. The feel and look of your custom membership site and also your branded app is really premium, and this can really set you apart from your competitors. I think the feel and professionalism of Uscreen will really allow you to build confidence so you can sell your higher ticket programs for more, and also allow you to create lower ticket products to sell to some of those prospects that aren't quite ready. Another feature that I absolutely love is templates, because I know an area where I fall short sometimes is not knowing where to start or what to start with. And Uscreen has a number of templates to really help you get off the ground quickly and start building your membership site. Of course, this is fully customizable, but I'm always a big advocate of really just getting started and creating that 1.0 version, and then you can refine and improve along the way. Another huge part of your online fitness business is how you grow and develop an online community. Uscreen has recently added this community feature, which means you no longer have to use a Facebook group to manage your online community, which is noisy and distracting. This feature allows you to have your program, your course, and your community all in one place, and allows you to chat, comment, and engage with your community. So if you're looking for a simple video-based platform that delivers high quality premium content for your clients, then I would definitely check out the trial from Uscreen. I will drop a link below in the description so you can check out Uscreen, and you can also see some live membership sites to get an example of what they look like. And then also you can sign up for a trial to really log in and have a play around yourself. Now, having a membership site is a very, very important element to your online fitness business, but if you don't have any clients, then you won't have any use for it. That's why I've put this video together for you to show you where to get the best organic reach across the social media world right now. In this video, I dive into the top 3 social media platforms to really grow your audience, increase your reach, and boost your engagement so that you can get more clients for your online fitness business. Be sure to check it out, and I'll see you in the next video.